Welcome to Rajneesh Pathak's video. This video is dedicated to mobile-friendly optimization. These are the tips here, please. Responsive design. Ensure your website adapts seamlessly to various screen sizes and resolutions, providing a consistent user experience across all devices. Accelerated mobile pages, AMP. Create fast-loading versions of your web pages with AMP, improving mobile user experience and visibility in search results. Simplified navigation. Opt for a straightforward menu structure and mobile-friendly navigation elements like hamburger menus for smooth user interaction. Faster loading speed. Enhance page loading speed by optimizing images and server response times and utilizing browser caching for a responsive mobile experience. Local SEO optimization. Incorporate location-based keywords and set up a Google My Business profile to attract mobile users searching for nearby services. Voice search optimization. Adapt your content for voice search queries by using natural language and conversational keywords, reflecting the rise of voice search among mobile users. Thumb-friendly design. Design user interfaces with touch-friendly elements and intuitive gestures for easy navigation on mobile devices. Vertical content layout. Optimize content layout for vertical scrolling, eliminating the need for horizontal scrolling and ensuring seamless content consumption on mobile screens.